Hello, subscribers. Beanie and I love you. Beanie's enjoying sitting on my leggy. He knows that my leg is a leggy. And I'll call it that because he responds to that kind of tone with the eggy E at the end of a word. The baby talk he loves. And he's preening. He's just enjoying himself very much. And I hope all of you are doing well. We hope you're all doing very well and getting better and getting vaccines and healing, and Beanie's happy to see you. Aren't you, Beanie? Here's Beanie's cute apron. There's his feather apron. Yeah, he's gonna relax on one leggy. Yes. And he's got a cute little white bib on too. Yeah. Cutie pie. Beanie's my cutie pie. Yeah, my cutie pie. Okay, well, we love all of you subscribers. Thank you for viewing us. Thank you for subscribing. And have a wonderful rest of the week and weekend. Yeah, all right.